Okay, I'm going to show you how to get to the online textbook. In your browser, type mynisd.nisd.net. And that'll send you to the portal. I'm going to pause this while I put in my passcode, so hold on. Okay, so when you open your portal, you'll get some web pages. You're not going to have all the ones that I have, okay? You're not going to have a lot of the ones I have. But you want to look for this one. This is the McGraw-Hill. That's your textbook. That's your math textbook. So step 1 is get to the portal. Step 2 is click on this. So we're going to click on that. Now, when this opens, again, yours isn't going to look like mine. Mine has all the teacher stuff in it, so yours isn't going to. But you are going to find this textbook that's your textbook. So, and you have one that looks just like it at home. And if you don't, let me know and I'll get you one. So you're going to open that textbook, and it's going to get you. Yours looks kind of like this, but not really. It's similar, though. But you will have something that looks like lesson resources, and that's where you're going to go. So you can click on any one of these to help you, to get you to those resources. So what I want you to do, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on one of those, and it's going to open up a resource page. And it doesn't matter which one you click on, you'll have some kind of resource right here. And what I want you to do is I want you to click on this All Resources button. So go ahead and click on that. And it's going to give you all the resources for this lesson. So this is Chapter 1, Decimals and Fractions. So that's something that we did earlier this year. We talked about decimals and fractions. And something really cool that you can see from this is these bubbled ones that say tutor on them. The tutor ones are all videos that you can watch if you're having a hard time understanding how to change a decimal to a fraction or something like that. You can go in here and you can click on one of these videos and writing single digit, double digit, all those things, fractions to decimals, decimals to fractions, and it can help you to understand and see it in a different way. So I'm going to go back to all my resources on my main page, and I want you to see something else, and because this is something that you'll be assigned, is the check. This check button opens up a self-check quiz. And so some of the assignments that were coming up, you're going to have the lessons on the Google Classroom, and you'll be responsible for watching the lessons. And then I'll tell you to go to the online textbook in the resources and find the check for that lesson. So you can go and you can, I'll tell you what chapter and things it's in, and you can find the lesson. So let's say I said go to the coordinate plane and do the check for that. And it's a five question, just a little quiz that you can do. And so, like this one says, in what quadrant is point S? And so we talked about quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we talked about how they go this way. And you would choose your answer, and then you would complete the quiz. You would complete the quiz, and then when you submitted it, see, I'm going to grade the quiz. And then when you submitted it, you could get a grade. So I didn't answer any of the questions, so obviously I got a 0. And then you would take a picture of this and send it to me, and that would show me that you did the quiz, okay? 1 attempt, all that good stuff. But anyway, the key is that you can use this to help assess yourself. It's a quiz that you can do on your own to see how you're doing on it. So coming up, we're still going to be in chapter 1, but we're going to be checking out, I'm sorry, no, I was wrong. We're going to move on to chapter 2, and that's multiplying and dividing rational numbers. And we're starting with things like multiplying fractions. And so you can go in here and you can see that there's all kinds of videos and worksheets and solutions to problems. So just use this as a resource at home when you can. So if you have any questions, let me know. That's it.